There's no denying that blockchain is a force of nature. Networks and applications are spawning faster than the ecosystem can assimilate them. In a free-for-all landscape, many of these projects and communities fork and drift apart. However, all of them still experience the same fierce competition and crushing pressures of the marketplace. Many wither away before they ever have a chance to thrive. It's time to create a new force of nature: wild innovation. Stop thinking in linear hierarchies and rigid structures competing for the same resources. Instead, let's grow an ecosystem where relationships can arise naturally, to the benefit of all. Welcome to the Great Experiment. Kusama, a fast-paced, scalable network of blockchains where unique and experimental ideas flourish in a unified omni-chain substrate. With decentralized governance and cross-chain liquidity, Kusama fosters organic growth in every direction, dismantles hierarchies, and transcends the barriers that currently isolate chains and value. Tokens and blockchains can't deny the forces of the market. In the long run, capital always flows towards innovation. DeFi, NFTs, and DAOs are only the beginning. Now, you can build and deploy your own out-of-the-box ideas with Kusama's unique parachains. Parachains are app-specific blockchains with forkless updates, low fees, and agile development in any language that compiles to WebAssembly. Through parallel processing, Kusama's rapid-fire transactions pierce the scalability ceiling that prevents crypto from challenging the system. What's the next stage of evolution? On Kusama, there are no limits. Join us on a 4-part journey to explore Kusama's great experiment. This is where it all begins. Expect chaos.